Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and properly install your EcoNour sunshade in your car. First, we're going to remove the sunshade from the pouch and carefully open it up with the reflective or silver side facing the outside. Then, slide the bottom edge of the sunshade along your dashboard and along the side pillar of your car. Tuck the extra fabric around the rearview mirror and lower both visors to provide additional support. The EcoNour sunshade is designed with flexibility in mind, so the circles may overlap a little bit just like this. This is completely normal. We designed it this way in order to assure a snug fit and protect your vehicle from the sun's harmful rays. So what if your EcoNour sunshade doesn't fit perfectly between each pillar of your car? I'm going to use a sunshade that's probably a little bit oversized for my vehicle to demonstrate this. It's really simple. We want to open it up, put the silver side facing out, and tuck the loose fabric around the rearview mirror. And this is what I'm talking about. This is easy. Use the sun visor to hold it in place. Now you notice the shade overlaps this right pillar. That's completely normal. That's the way we designed it. We designed these to fit in more vehicles.